Thinking of selling your home in Middle Georgia? Here's what buyers worry about and how you can calm their fears before they walk through the door. Concern number 1, is this home worth the price? Buyers are always wondering if they're getting a fair deal. Bar chart solution for sellers: get a comparative market analysis CMA and price it competitively from the start. Bonus tip: highlight recent upgrades and include a pre-inspection report. Concern number 2, are there hidden issues? No one wants to inherit expensive surprises. Hammer and wrench seller tip: make small repairs before listing and consider a pre-listing inspection to show transparency and build trust. Concern number 3, what's the neighborhood like? Even a beautiful home won't sell if buyers worry about the area. Round pushpin seller tip: showcase community highlights in your listing: schools, parks, shopping, and low crime stats. A short video tour of the neighborhood can go a long way. Concern number 4, will this deal fall through? Buyers fear complications and delays. File folder seller tip: be ready with your documents, be responsive, and work with a reliable realtor who can streamline the process. Buyers will always have concerns, but smart sellers plan ahead. Want help selling with confidence? I've got you covered. Contact Anntoinette Baker for all your seller as well as buyer resources. Link in the bio.